Hi everyone, welcome back to Saheb Academy. Today in this 12th video of service costing chapter, we are going to solve our 11th problem, and the question is from ICAI study material, practical problem 1, okay, or you can say practical question number 1. And the industry over here is the toll roads. We have already discussed the concept and everything in the previous video. We have also solved one problem on toll roads. That was the 10th problem. Now let's just read this question. Let's understand what has been said over here. Now see here, SLS infrastructure built and operates 110 km highway on the basis of build, operate, transfer approach for a period of 25 years. Yes, we all know what is BOT and everything. Yes, the company will build it and then operate it for the set period and then transfer it back to the government. Yeah, that's what happens. Yes, and this has to be done for a period of 25 years they have said. Okay, that's the concession period. In this question they are referring the project period as concession period. Is that clear? Okay, fine. See, then they are saying a traffic assessment carried out to estimate the traffic flow per day shows the following figures. Now see, what are we trying to do over here? We are building a toll plaza, right? So on this highway what will be happening? Many vehicles will pass, right? In the previous question what happened? In the previous question, in the 10th problem, they said, listen, they said, see, only single type of vehicle will pass. That means only car will pass, for example. But that doesn't happen in practical life. In practical life, there is car, there are two-wheelers, there are trucks, there are different types of trucks. Yeah, so many different types of vehicles will pass. Do you understand? So the toll plaza will not charge the same money for everyone. No, for trucks it is more, for cars it's less. It's like that, isn't it? So if you go to any toll plaza right now, there you will find a big board and there will be categories over there. For each category, different price will be there. Yeah, why is that so? Because you have to understand, different vehicles will cause different sort of damage to the road. Yeah, the car will not cause that much damage to the road as the truck does, right? So that's why we are charging more for the trucks, like that. Is that clear? Simple. Yeah, so see here they are saying that a traffic assessment carried out to estimate the traffic flow per day shows the following figures. See, type of vehicle, yeah, categories have been given. Two-wheelers, 44,500. Yeah, these many two-wheelers pass on daily basis. That is what they are saying, daily traffic volume. Is that clear? Okay, then cars and SUVs, 3,450. Okay, bus and light commercial vehicle, that is 1,800. And then heavy commercial vehicles, yeah, big trucks and all, 816. You see, these are the units they have given you. How many units are there in this question on daily basis? That's what they have been given to you, because you all know now in toll roads what's our unit. In toll road industry, our unit is vehicle, per vehicle. Okay, now you have to understand one thing over here. In the previous question it was just one type. They said only single type of vehicle, so we didn't have any problem over there. Single type of vehicle, it was, you know, just a bookish question. It is not reality. This is reality. Yeah, in reality what happened, there will be many different types of vehicles, different way we are charging the prices. So in that case what happens, if you have watched my previous video, then you know whenever we have different charges for different categories of service, then there will be different type of units. So that is why what we have to do, we have to bring all those different type of units at the same level, and that's called as equivalent units, right? That is what we have to do. We have seen this in the hotel industry, in hospital industry, isn't it? Yes. Now the same thing we have to do over here. Okay, we will convert everything into one category, and that would be the lowest one. You all know in two-wheelers we'll convert that. Okay, fine, that's fine, we'll do that. Okay, and then see here, the following is the estimated cost of the project. Okay, they are saying cost of the project, and the project is of 25 years. So you have to understand, whatever they are saying right now, it is for the entire 25 years. Okay, it is for entire 25 years. All right, see, first they have said site clearance 170.70. see, what is this? In the column at the top they have said amount in lakhs. What does that mean? It means if there is 5, you know, written over here in the column, that means it is 5 lakhs. There are 5 zeros after that 5. Okay, so this 170 is not 170 rupees, it is 170 lakhs, and 0.70 they have said. 0.70 means 70,000. Is that clear? Yes. So this same format will be using in the cost sheet also. Okay, I mean in the solution. Fine. See, land development and filling work 9080.35. okay, sub base and base courses. So all these costs have been given to you. It's very simple. The question has directly given you everything. You don't have to understand this. You just have to take it line by line in the operating cost sheet. All these are costs. Okay. See, bituminous work, bridge, flyover, underpasses, pedestrian subway, footbridge, drainage and protection work, traffic sign marking, road appurtenance, maintenance, repairing and rehabilitation, environmental management. So all these are costs. Total capital cost it is actually, okay, of 25 years. How much it is? See here, 1,14,495.25. okay, yes. And then they are saying an estimated cost of 1120 lakh has to be incurred on administration and toll plaza operation. You see, first they have given you the whole capital cost, yeah, or we can say total project cost, and then they are telling you about the operation cost also, the administration and operation cost of toll plaza. So all that you have to take together, then only you will get the total cost. Simple, easy, we can prepare the operating cost sheet. Okay, fine. Then they are saying on the basis of vehicle specifications, that is weight, size, time saving, etc., the following weights has been assigned to the passing vehicles. See here, type of vehicle, two-wheelers, car and SUV, bus and light commercial vehicle, and heavy commercial vehicle, 5%, 20%, 30%, 45%. What is this? This is the importance that has been given. See, understand, we have incurred lots of cost in building the roads, yeah, in maintaining the toll plaza and everything. Now we have to recover that money from the public. On the basis of vehicles we have to recover So how are we going to recover? We know the daily volume traffic. Okay, these are units, but what is the price? What is the toll fee? How are we going to recover? So that's what they are saying over here. This is the proportion in which you have to recover. Do you understand this? More importance, more money has to be, what do you say, has to be recovered from heavy commercial vehicles. 45% they are saying, because heavy commercial vehicles will cause the most damage to the roads, yeah, because they are very heavy, and then when they are passing through the toll plaza, at that time also, it will take more time over there, isn't it? Because their size is huge, they are going slow, so while passing the toll plaza also, they will take too much time. So based on all these factors, they have given us how the pricing will be, how the importance or the weights have been given. For two-wheelers, less money. Cars and SUV, little bit more money. For bus and light commercial vehicle, little bit more money. And then the most money you have to collect from the heavy commercial vehicles. Okay, like that. Fine. So based on this, we will do the calculation. It's really simple. Then see here, first requirement, calculate the total project cost per day of concession period. That's the first requirement, which is very simple. We'll just prepare the cost sheet. The second requirement is, see here, compute toll fee to be charged for per vehicle of each type if the company wants to earn a profit of 15% on total cost. Okay, so what is this concession period? First, concession period means, as I said, it's project period only. Here also they have given you a note. Concession period is a period for which an infrastructure is allowed to operate and recovers its investment. Fine. The second requirement is what? How much to collect from each of the vehicle. That is what we have to calculate. All right, we'll do that. We'll come to the second requirement. Don't worry. First, let's just do the operating cost sheet. Now see, operating cost sheet is not a big deal. You all know how to do it, right? Just copy paste. See, whatever cost they have given, all these are capital costs. Just copy that and paste it. See, operating cost sheet, yeah, copy and paste I have done. Nothing else. Particulars, amount in lakhs. Okay, so I have taken everything. Whatever they have given, I have taken that. Fine. So the total project cost becomes how much? 1,14,495.25. Actually, it's in lakhs. It's different. But just for the calculation, I'm saying like that. Okay, 1,14,495.25. Is it clear? Okay. Then they said there is administration and plaza operation cost also, 1120 lakh. So that also we have to take because we need total cost. Do you understand? Yes. So add that administration and toll plaza operation cost 1120. So if we add that, then we get the total cost, that is 1,15,615.25, right? What is this? This is the total cost of the entire project for the entire concession period, for the entire project period, that is 25 years. Why? How can I say that? Because the question told you this is the estimated cost of the project. Project is of 25 years. They are not saying it is of per year, per month. No, of the project. Of the project means it's of 25 years. So everything we have got over here. Is that clear? So now what we have to do? What is the requirement? Requirement is calculate cost per day. If you want to calculate per day, then what you will do? Simply you will divide by total days of 25 years, no? Then only you will get cost per day. Simple common sense. So see here, 25 years. So you will do that. See, 25 years into 365 days. In 1 year there are 365 days. No. So 25 into 365, that is equal to 9,125 days. So you will divide this total cost by the days, total days. You will get what? Cost per day of project period or concession period. Okay, that is equal to 12.67. Shall we do it in calculator? See here, 115,615.25 divided by 9,125 days, that is equal to, you see, 12.67016438. Yeah, you can take 2 decimals because the question has taken everything in 2 decimals. You can take 2 decimals or 4 decimals. Okay, it's up to you. You will not lose any mark and all. Don't worry about that. So now what is this? Tell me. This 12.67, what is this? This is not 12.67 rupees. What is this? This is 12,67,000. Okay, you can round it off. Okay, it's actually 12,67,016 rupees. Yeah, like that we can say. But we can round off 16 rupees. So it's 12,67,000. Is that clear? Operating cost sheet you understood. This is how you have to do it. The first requirement is over. Now coming to the second requirement. What are they asking in second requirement? The toll fee, the toll rate. How do you calculate the toll rate? Let's just go to the concept of toll roads. See here, to calculate the toll rate, what do you have to do? You have to take total cost plus profit and divide by total number of vehicles, isn't it? You need total revenue in the numerator, total revenue or total sales, you can say total takings. Yeah, that's what you need. And you have to divide by the total units. Okay. Now, numerator is very simple. We can easily get that. You all know the main game is of denominator only. And here there is a problem also. Isn't it? Different vehicles are there. So we have to, calculate the total equivalent units. So how to do that? It's really simple. You already know how to do that, isn't it? See here. Calculation of total equivalent vehicles per day, right? So how to do it? It's really simple. See, first we have the categories. Yeah, these categories are there, 4 categories. Then the question has given us the weights, the importance. Yeah, more importance have to be given to heavy commercial vehicles, 45, for 2-wheelers it's 5%, then 20%, 30%, like that they have given. So you have to just take that. Okay, see here, you have to just take that. Is it okay? Simple. Then the question has said what? The question has said, see, daily traffic volume they have said 44,500, 3450, 1,800, 816. Yes. So can we take that? Yeah, directly we will take that. 44,500, 3450, 1,800, 816. If we add that, then the total daily traffic actual volume is how much? 50,566. But can we take this as the denominator? No, we can't. Why not? We can't take it because you have to understand it's all mixed. It's all mixed, right? We can't take it. It's not at the same level. So we have to bring them at the same level. Fine. So how are we going to do that? It's really simple. Understand. What we are going to do is, see, we are going to convert everything into one default category. So you have to choose what is your default category. We always say choose the default category, the lowest one. Whatever is the lowest, choose that as your default category. So 2-wheelers is the lowest. No, let's choose this as our default category. So automatically this column will become what? Equivalent 2-wheeler vehicles. Everything we are converting into 2-wheelers now for the calculation purpose. We are making everything uniform. We are bringing at the same level. Is it clear? So how it will happen? For 2-wheelers, we will give the ratio as 1. Okay, we will assign a weight now as 1. So 44,500 into 1 is equal to 44,500. Is this clear? Simple. Yeah, this is what we are going to do. We are not converting this. This is our default category. These 3 we have to convert. But how to convert? We have to multiply something over here, then only it will be getting converted. So what to multiply, that is the main problem. People do not understand that. And it's not possible also to apply the logic always. So we need some shortcut, and we have seen that shortcut while doing the hospital question, right? What was the shortcut? Shortcut was very simple. You all know the shortcut. See, this is how you have to do it. See, two-wheelers, car, SUV, bus and LCV, and HCV was there, heavy commercial vehicle. Then the question gave us the weight, 5%, 20%, 30%, 45. If I can write that in decimals, I will write like this. No, 0.05, 0.20, 0.30, 0.45. Yes, simple. The question gave me this. Then what I'm going to do, first I'm going to give the default category as 1, the ratio as 1. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to think now, how 0.05 can become 1? Listen carefully. How 0.05 can become 1? Very simple. You all know basic math. If we divide 0.05 by 0.05, it will become 1. The answer will become 1. So that means all of this has to be divided by 0.05. Okay. So see here, 0.20 you have no, divide by 0.05, that is equal to 4. Then see, next you have 0.30 divide by 0.05, that is equal to 6. Then 0.45 divide by 0.05, that is equal to 9. You see, you have got now the ratios. With these you are going to convert. See here, it's really simple. 3450 into 4, 13,800, 1,800 into 6, 10,800, 816 into 9, that's 7,344. Yes, so you have converted all vehicles into what? Two-wheeler vehicles. Now you will add, that is equal to 76,444. These are what? Total equivalent two-wheeler vehicles. Okay, these are your total units now. With this you can do the calculation further. Do you understand this? Really simple and straightforward. You understood the conversion now. You have assigned 1 over here for your default category. Then you have to think how 0.05 can become 1 by dividing with the same number. So divide this with everyone. Okay, simple. You will get these. Then use this over here for conversion. Is that clear? Now what is the logic? Logic is really simple. See here, this we have taken as 1, no? Then understand, for car they have said 20%. How many 5 comes over here? 4 into 5, that's 20, no? So into 4 we are doing. Do you understand? In two-wheeler if it's 5% and for car it's 20, in car there are 4 times 5, no? So that is why into 4, like that it is. That's the logic. Okay, 1 car is equal to what? 4 two-wheelers. Fine, that's the understanding of this. That's the logic. All right, so you understood how the calculation of equivalent has to be done in this. Now what you have to do now, really simple. The second working note you have to do, understand. See, you need to calculate what? The numerator now. Okay, you have got total number of vehicles. Total number of vehicles is this, 76,444. Okay, the numerator, total cost plus profit, really easy, you can get that. In the cost sheet you already have it. In the cost sheet you have it. See here, cost per day of concession period. How much is it? 12.67, 12,67,000. Yes, so that's the cost per day. So you can easily calculate, no? Revenue also. See here, working note number 2, total toll per day, or you can say total takings or total sales. Yeah, so cost per day plus 15% profit on cost. The question said the profit is 15% on total cost. Okay, so see here, 12,67,000, right? I took the whole amount now for this calculation. This 12.67 is what? 12,67,000, no? Yes, it has been rounded off. It's actually 12,67,016. 16 rupees also there, but that has been rounded off in the module also, so I'm doing that. Fine. Plus what? 15% profit on cost. Cost is 12,67,000, yes, into 0.15, that is equal to, see, 1,90,050 rupees. Okay, so if you add these two, that is equal to 14,57,050. What is this? This is your total toll per day. Okay, why we are calculating per day? Why not per month or per year or per 25 years? You have to understand the denominator is of what? Per day. If denominator is of per day, then the numerator also should be of per day. Okay, fine. Working note number 3, toll per equivalent two-wheeler vehicle. Now we are going to calculate the toll rate. Easily we can do that. We already know the formula. Yes, what is the formula? The formula is this: total revenue by total units, isn't it? Total revenue by total units. Yes, total revenue by total units. No, total cost plus profit, that's 14,57,050, and total unit, the denominator we have just calculated, that is 76,444. What is this? These are total two-wheeler vehicles, total equivalent two-wheeler vehicles. Yeah, if we divide that, we get how much? 19.06. What is this? This is the toll rate for two-wheeler vehicle, okay. Then we have to do the conversion. So it's really simple. Toll fee of each vehicle. The second requirement now we are doing, see, toll fee of each vehicle. This is directly two-wheeler vehicle toll rate. Okay, fine. But then what? Then you have to do the conversion. No, how you have converted in the equivalent, the same thing you have to use, into 4, into 6, into 9. The same thing you have to use. See, for car it's into 4, for bus it's into 6, for heavy commercial vehicles it's into 9. So that same thing you have to do over here. For car into 4, for bus and LCV into 6, for HCV into 9. Yeah, you will get 76.24, 114.36, 171.54, like that. Simple and straightforward. I hope you have understood. Yeah, easy, right? Really simple. We just got the toll rate per two-wheeler equivalent vehicle, and then we converted it into the car and SUV, bus and LCV and HCV. Really simple. Is it clear? Simple and straightforward. So the second requirement was little bit tough. It was not tough. This thing you had to understand first, how to do the conversion. Really simple. Shortcut, just remember the shortcut. If you remember the shortcut, then quickly you can do this in the exam. You don't have to keep thinking about the logics and all, right? Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you have understood. See you in the next video. Bye.